Hi, I'm Nadia.
Hi, I'm Saffron. Hola amigos y amigas.
Today's subject is the states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. We'll be do two experiments. The first will be whipped cream. That is a liquid to a foam.
What's foam?
Foam is a liquid with gas bubbles trapped.
Let's get cooking.
Today we're going to be using heavy cream,
powdered sugar,
and vanilla. Now our whipped cream is soft peaks. Now we're going to add the sugar and the vanilla.
Let me add the vanilla
We lift gas into the cream. Now it's a foam. Delicious. I'm gonna love this.
Stop the camera.
For our second experiment, we will change a liquid to a foam to a solid. Saffron.
What do we need?
We need egg white, sugar, cocoa, and cream of tartar.
Actually, you put yours first.
Is that what you say? Here we go.
Here we go.
We're gonna whip the egg whites until they're frothy. How speed? 5? There's no 5. Now the eggs are frothy. Now we're gonna add the cream of tartar and the vanilla. Cream of tartar.
It looks bubbly.
6. We're gonna add 1 spoon of sugar one at a time into the mixer. Wait. Okay, go. Keep going. Go. Exactly. Don't do that. Last, we're gonna add the cocoa powder. Super chocolate. 6. We whipped the egg whites. Now we have this thick foam. Now our piping bags are filled. They're foam. And after, we're gonna pipe them out onto the sheet and stick them in the oven for an hour. And then they'll turn it into a solid. Mine.
Keep going. Give a little space, Safi.
Voila. So it looks like a foam, but it's actually a solid. We baked them for an hour and they look super good, right? Let's taste it. Oh my god.
It tastes like marshmallows.
Chocolate. Yeah, no, it's delicious. Bye.
So give us a thumbs up.